So I'm going to show you how to upload the static website on the GitHub using the GitHub pages. So now I have an empty folder here. So let me create the index file, index.html. Now I have the file, so let me open it. So let me create some basic HTML. Yeah, so title, hello world, and this is my test website. Okay, so let me check this website. So this is our first test website, and I'm going to show you how to upload it on the server. So now I'm going to open the GitHub, go to your repository. So you need to sign in. I'm going to go to repository. Now I'm going to create a new repository. Let me name it as test website or test web, whichever. So yeah, so I leave it as it is and I create repository. Now what you need to do is you can just follow the tutorial or instructions here. So you can, so by doing this, you can create a README and git init, initialize this folder as a git repository, git add readme.md, git commit, first commit, git branch main. Yeah, it's already main branch. And I'm going to add this repository as a remote repository. I name it as origin. Then I'm going to push this repository to the server. So once it's done, you can refresh it, this repository, and it is already uploaded. Okay. Now I didn't commit the index.html, so I can git add index.html, git commit message at index.html, yeah, and git push origin main. You can push repository to the server. Let me renew it, refresh it. So now I can find my index.html. So the issue is how we can view it as a website. Okay, so in this case, we have to go to the settings, and under, yes, under here, I think there should be somewhere GitHub page. Let me page. I think, yeah, it's here. So you have to enable it first. So I'm going to trigger or this enable it. So I'm select the main branch should be hosted under GitHub pages. So I changed here to main, then I save it. Now my website is already published at this one. Okay. I think so this one, because this URL domain is kind of a custom URL domain, because I have already configured my GitHub as to use my custom domain, but you can just ignore it. You can just click here to open. Let me check it again. Oh, yes, it's coming. So now you can see this is my custom domain, and /test-web is name of the repository. You see? So let me explain it. So suppose your GitHub account name is jquat. Okay. So in this case, your repository can be seen like jquat/test-web. So suppose your repository is located here. In this case, your static website will be hosted under here, like jquat.github.com/test-web. Okay, so here is coordinating with here. Okay, sorry, this is not a home, this is a IO. Okay, so I think you can understand. So if your account name is something like PAO, should be PAO. Okay.